Good day everyone, I am Adener Labore from BSN 3-6. So today, I will show you the signs and symptoms of schizophrenia. I will define and act the schizophrenia from the mnemonics of the word itself. So let's start with letter S. So first is social withdrawal. So in social withdrawal, ito yung pag-iwas ng isang tao o pag-iwas ko sa ibang tao. For like example, someone was approaching me but hindi ko siya papansinin. Iiwasan ko siya. Yun, ganun. The next is confused thinking. Ito yung nahihirapan yung client na mag-isip, ganyan. Distorted thought, nagkakaroon siya ng distorted thoughts sa utak niya. Then next is the letter I, inappropriate emotion. So sa inappropriate emotion, for like example, when I say na masaya ako, see that, sinabi ko na masaya ako but my expression is hindi naman masaya, ganyan, more like malungkot, ganyan, walang energy. Then next is zoning out. So letter Z, zoning out. So in zoning out, ito yung let's say for example, it's like two people and then yung other one is nagsa-zone out siya, like bigla na lang siyang tutulala, ganyan, malayo yung tingin, malalim yung pag-iisip. Like, nagkausap akong ganyan, tapos siya nakatitig lang, ganyan. Next is letter O, odd behavior. Sa odd behavior, ito yung mga unusual action, ganyan. Kakaiba yung galaw nila, parang like, ano ba, kakaibang galaw. Parang kung ano yung ginagawa nila, ganyan. And then next is paranoia, letter P, paranoia. Sa paranoia is, yung tao na to is takot sa ibang tao, ganyan. So, next is letter H. Sa letter H natin is hallucination. Sa hallucination is, nakakita or nakakarinig ako ng something, ganyan, or someone na wala naman talaga. It's like, hindi naman sa nakikreate siya sa utak mo, but nakikita mo siya pero hindi siya nakikita ng ibang tao. For example, people with third eye, nakakita ng multo, ganun, pero iba pa rin yung hallucination. Then next is letter R, reduce motivation. Sa reduce motivation, ito yung parang wala kang gana sa everyday activities, ganyan, tinatamad ka, wala kang gana, gusto mo lang mahilata, ganun. Next is letter E, emotional flatness, or it is the lack of facial expression or monotone voice. It's like, ano lang, parang lagi lang seryoso, ganun. The next is the letter N, negative symptoms. In negative symptoms, ito yung feeling down ka or kulang ka ng interest sa isang bagay. Ganun. And then next is the impaired speech. Sa impaired speech naman, nakauutal-utal ka, ganyan. Let's say for example, sabihin ko yung salita example, and then nai-stutter yung word, example din sa pupul. Parang, ano mo yun kapag takot ka, something like that, nai-stutter yung voice mo. Then next is the letter A, evolution or lack of interest in daily tasks. Para kang tinatamad gawin yung mga gawain mo sa pang-araw-araw. Let's say, for example, tamad ka gumawa ng assignment. Ganun. And that's all for the mnemonics for the signs and symptoms of schizophrenia.